take your outdoor cooking to the next level with this beautiful Wolf outdoor grill. And the Sub-Zero outdoor refrigerator is a must-have for all of your beverages.
And everything gets in the way.